Mobili. List of the 10 fastest turbocharged SUVs in 2024. There are plenty of options in the SUV market, especially here in America. From spacious and family-friendly, to eye-watering fast and exotic SUVs, this market has it all. The fastest SUV in the world does not always have to be the quickest, as the term quick usually relates to the acceleration of a vehicle, while fast defines its top speed. With that said, if you are searching for a fast factory turbocharged vehicle, we have considered both their acceleration and top speed in our decision. These 10 performance SUVs are the fastest factory turbocharged options currently on the market, all of them being ranked accordingly. 10. Jaguar F-Pace. The sleek styling and surprising performance make the Jaguar F-Pace look and feel faster than it perhaps is. Having a somewhat outdated lineup, old-school electronics, and poor fuel consumption, the F-Pace is not the most competitive in the performance SUV segment. The 5-seater SUV only comes in 3 trim levels, the best one being the R-Dynamic SP400, boasting a 3.0-liter turbocharged 6-cylinder engine that, with the help of electric motors, produces close to 400 horsepower. 9. Porsche Cayenne. Despite being an SUV, the Cayenne is every bit a Porsche regardless. While the starting price is relatively high, the stellar performance and luxurious interior somewhat justify this. The Cayenne has been praised countless times for its spirited driving ability, making it a perfect option for those looking for a fast turbocharged SUV. The Cayenne S is the one that possesses the rapid 4.0-liter turbocharged V8. While this trim starts at just under $100,000, the Cayenne goes toe-to-toe with much more expensive machines. 8. BMW XM Label Red. The BMW XM holds the title of the first electrified M car, but despite the addition of a hybrid powertrain, the XM delivers surprising performance and feel. BMW's M cars have always been known to be somewhat subtle, looking rather normal to the untrained eye. The XM breaks this norm with its polarizing looks. The bold and unusual styling will get noticed virtually everywhere you go. The starting MSRP for this model is just under $160,000, $159,995 to be exact. This plug-in hybrid benefits from a beefy 4.4-liter V8, enough to keep up with most, if not all, of the entries on this list, especially in the Label Red trim. 7. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. While the Stelvio may not be the strongest contender in the utility department, it more than makes up for it with its engine and driving dynamics. The Stelvio is a stylish entry from the Italian manufacturer, with a smaller yet powerful engine. The compact SUV boasts brilliant performance and attention to detail, both inside and out. Alfa Romeo offers 6 trim levels for the performance SUV, the most expensive one being the Stelvio Quadrifoglio Carbon, boasting a lively 2.9-liter turbocharged V6 that outputs 505 horsepower. The MSRP for this model starts at $93,375. 6. Maserati Grecale. While the Maserati Grecale is still new to the compact SUV scene, it still distinguishes itself from the rest of the competition with its luxurious interior and exotic styling. While it might not seem like it, the Grecale is a great choice for anyone looking to get into the fast and luxurious SUV scene. The 5-seater Grecale comes available in only 3 trim levels, with the Trofeo being a popular one here in the US. The Trofeo is capable of producing just shy of 530 horsepower, which coupled with Maserati's all-wheel drive, is bound to put up a good fight against most high-performance SUVs on the road. 5. BMW X6M. Just like the Porsche Cayenne, the BMW X6M is every bit a performance BMW, despite being a bulky SUV. While it does not deliver the most power on this list, the X6M delivers a track-focused experience, something that can be both good and bad. Being the M version of the SUV, BMW only offers the X6M in one trim level, starting at $130,000. The 4.4-liter turbo V8 is able to deliver over 600 horsepower, making it a worthy pick for a fast SUV. 4. Bentley Bentayga. The Bentayga performance SUV from Bentley is most likely the biggest performance SUV on the market today. Bentley is known for being the epitome of luxury. The powerful powertrain combined with the quiet and luxurious cabin makes up for a serene yet fast driving experience. Bentley lets customers choose from thousands of colors and material combinations, ensuring that every model is unique to the buyer. The 5-seater ultra-luxury SUV comes in no less than 9 trim levels, and one of the higher ones is the V8, which has a starting price of $240,000. This trim level boasts a 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 that works together with the electric motors to produce over 540 horsepower. 3. Audi RSQ8. The RSQ8 represents the pinnacle of Audi's performance SUV lineup, and since it shares the same platform used in the Urus, it surpasses most entries on this list in terms of outright performance. The RSQ8 boasts a cutting-edge cabin with plenty of the latest technology and more than adequate passenger room. The 5-seater performance SUV only comes in one trim form, as it itself is a trim of the normal Audi Q8. The fast SUV has an MSRP of $126,995, a price worth paying considering that the Lamborghini Urus costs a lot more than that. 2. Lamborghini Urus. The Italian manufacturer is renowned for the fine vehicles it produces, and when the Urus was released in 2018, people were a bit skeptical. Fast forward to 2024, when the Urus is the most successful car the manufacturer ever made. The elusiveness of owning a practical race car is endless, but the Urus delivers. The 5-seater performance SUV comes in various trims, the highest one being the Performance, which costs a staggering $275,000. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo engine powering this SUV is bound to satisfy any needs, be it on or off the road. 1. Aston Martin DBX 707. While virtually every luxury manufacturer is now providing high-performance SUVs, the Aston Martin entry is arguably the one that tops them all. From the tear-shaped headlights and smooth curves to the all-wheel drive and active differential, the DBX is a car that can tackle anything you decide to throw at it. The DBX is a 5-seater luxury vehicle that comes with 2 trim options, the most popular one being the mighty DBX 707 AWD, coming in at nearly $250,000. This is the fastest turbocharged SUV in 2024.
I hope to inspire you and help you learn more about your favorite theme. Subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think.